Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can share playlists on Spotify. So without further ado, let's begin. To start, open your Spotify app and then you have to make sure that you have a good internet connection. After that, just tap on your library. From here, you can see the list of your playlist. Now tap on the playlist that you want to share. Now, after choosing the playlist that you want to share, what you're going to do is to press the playlist and then just tap on share. From here, you can have different options on how you can share your playlist. For example, you can copy the link or you can share directly on your Messenger or your Instagram. For example, for me, I want to share it to my Messenger account. So just tap on Messenger and then just tap on send to the person or friends that you want to share it with. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.